Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to part 11 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series. Now, if you'd like to build this yourself, click this link way along here. Head over to their website, take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale Batmobile. You will not be disappointed, folks. Right, have a quick bruise through the magazine. A riddle a day keeps the Riddler away. Yes, folks, the Riddler has a plan that only Batman and Robin can solve if they don't fall victim to his evil scheme. Yeah, scary man, wouldn't he, eh? The king vanishes. The riddle, what room can no one enter, leads Batman and Robin to the Royal Mushroom Club. There you go. This is mapping Gotham City. This is the history of the Joker. They're rather sinister character, wasn't he, back then? Some of this artwork's quite scary, isn't it? Some more there about the evil genius. Killer Croc and Penguin both appear in this harrowing tale. Batman from 1949 saw a year of change and flux. It saw the character of Batman consolidate his position as both the most noble and enigmatic of lone crime fighters, folks. Some more information here. Villains of the year. The Joker looking rather sinister. How could you not know that that was the Joker's car? Come on. You saw that parked in Gotham City, you'd be going, whose car's that? Yeah. Batman Year by Year, issue 55, October 1949, the case of the 48 Jokers, 48 of them. Yeah. This is the parts we've got in this issue: the left engine block, engine connector and bracket, fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel pump hose, oil filter, oil pump. Yes, folks, which is this little lot, it says optimistically. There it all is, all there. That's what we got this week. Okay, you'll also need your oil pan that you built a couple of issues ago, so get that out your box of goodies as well, because we will need that. Here's how it all goes together, nice and concise, nice and easy to follow. There's the oil pan we built before, so grab that, folks. There's the fuel pump. And then this is what you'll have, fuel pump and filter going on. And this is what you'll end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Okay. So, without delay, let's grab our bits and bobs and get everything on the bench that we need. I'll grab the oil pan as well, so we'll get that on there. Like so. Keep that bracket in the packet, just to be on the safe side. And this is what we're going to be working on. So when we come back, I'll have all this open, and then we can get on and do a bit of assembly. Right, let's grab our bracket. You've got this half, and then you've got this half. You've got a little locating peg that goes in there, like that. And then we've got a screw hole there that we put an AM screw in, folks. So let's grab one of them, which is there. And we can screw this little bracket together, okay? Pop the screw in, and it'll cut its own thread into the plastic, like so, okay? So that's what you want for that. And that will give you that little engine mount, okay? And then this will go on the side of the engine block and will be held in place with an AM screw, folks, okay? Let's grab that. Pop that on the end of your screwdriver, and then we'll feed that in so that it starts pulling that engine mount to where we want it, like that, okay? Now, it should have a little bit of movement, which you'll get later on when we go to put the engine in the chassis. This will just let you adjust it if you need to, so don't worry about that, okay? You then want 11H, which is this, okay? And that will go up underneath in here, okay? So that's where you want that to go, up in there, somewhere like that. There you go, just like that, okay? So that's what you want. Can only go in one way. Bit of a resistance fit, but it will go. Now grab your oil pan, and that should then go in place underneath this with a couple of AP screws, okay? So it'll go somewhere like that, okay? It'll click into place, and then you'll have 2 screws going in. So let's grab these. I think this was plastic, so yeah, there you go. So let's get my screwdriver and get these on the go, just like so. We'll pinch that, and we'll start them in place, just like so. Just get my other longer screwdriver, just so that I can go through that groove there in a better way. Go. Rest that to one side for a moment. And then do the same with this screw as well, folks. That's easier. And that'll just go straight through there then. And hold that oil pan firmly in place. See? So that's what we're going to end up with there. It's then telling us to connect the hose from the oil pan onto this little nub there, just like that, okay? So that's what you want. I'm actually going to shorten that hose to try and take that kink out on mine, because I don't like that kink there. So let's just shorten that off. There you go. And then it'll fit without that big horrible kink in it. Can't have that. There you go. That's better. Much better. There you go. Right. So that's what you're going to end up with there. Then says assemble the fuel pump. When fitting PVC cables, use a pair of pliers and grip round the ends. Pretty straightforward, been what we've been doing there, folks. So let's grab the fuel hose 11F, which is this stuff. And we got measurements. It says just fit that on there. So we'll do that. Doesn't tell me to cut it in any way, shape or form, so I'm not going to until it tells me to. Like that. Fit it on there. Leave it like so, and then pop 11E up underneath. It's got a semicircle there, marries up to this one. So send that up like so, like that, and that will click into place. Nice resounding click. And then we're fitting these to the engine block, okay? Push the fuel pump assembly onto the side of the engine block, like so. So we'll do that now, like that. Let's give it a tweak, like that, and then the oil filter goes in there. Like so. And that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this, folks. Look at that. There you go. Okay, so that's that issue done. If you like what you've seen, head over and click the fester at the bottom there and go and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell as well to get notified of future content. If you'd like to subscribe to this Partwork, click this link here, also in the description below. And pop over and give them a subscription, folks. You can't go wrong. Until the next one, bye-bye for now. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye.